TDOC Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at Teladoc Health stock. It's sitting at $10.95 and it is 5.7% up. I do see the price actually starting to pick up, which is beautiful. Well, I've gotten thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything. And generally looking at TDOC, this is how my chart looks like. I already have my drawings. It's kind of hard to see them because previously they were dark, so everything is going to be deleted. But looking back, I do see that we started expanding. I do think that I was actually quite bearish the previous time, but you can check the previous video or whatnot. But right here, it's a whole different story. We're starting to tap inside these demands and it's starting to pick up. Ultimately, with targets at 12.45, I'm looking to double down. I want to see a double break and then take things up. Other than that, everything else is noise, so I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.